Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Victoria if you're new here. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my creamy avocado cilantro dressing. So to start off, you're going to want to grab one ripe avocado. For the best results, you really want to make sure it's ripe, and you're just going to add that into your blender. Next up, you're going to get 1 cup of cilantro, make sure it's nicely washed, and then just roughly chop it up. The blender will do most of the work for us. And then I'm grabbing 1/3 of a cup of lightly salted pistachios, and again add that into the blender. We're gonna grab some garlic. I'm using 3 cloves of garlic. If you don't want as much, you can definitely do only 1 or 2. It's just to taste. I'm going to roughly mince the garlic. You don't have to do too much work. Again, the blender will do most of it for us. And just add all of that into the blender. Next up, grab 1 lemon. You're going to use half of it, and you're going to pour half of that juice into the blender. And I didn't show it in the video, but you also are going to add a bit of water to help it blend. And then I'm adding some salt and some pepper. You're going to give that a really nice blend until it's nice and smooth. And I totally forgot to add my olive oil, so I just eyeball it, but you could add about a tablespoon of olive oil. And then give that one more good blend, give it a try, you want to taste as you go. And that is it. It is so quick and easy. Do not forget to put it in a container. You can store it in the fridge for 3 to 5 days. It pairs so well with chicken and fish and veggies. I'm actually going to show you in my next video how I pair it with one of my favorite Mexican grain bowls. So stick around for that. If you guys like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.